Don't miss these 20 top IELTS vocabulary words that you can use in speaking, writing, anywhere to boost up your score. So I'm going to teach you 20 IELTS vocabulary words that you can use with synonyms and examples. Let's jump right in. Start, commence. The university will commence the new academic session in September. Explain, clarify. Could you please clarify what do you mean by flexible schedule in job description? Modern, contemporary. Many contemporary buildings focus on sustainability and energy efficiency. Different, diverse. This city attracts people from diverse cultural and professional backgrounds. Experience, expertise. Her expertise in data analysis helped the company improve its decision-making process. Possible, feasible. It's not feasible to complete the entire project in just 1 week. Look for, seek. Many fresh graduates seek opportunities abroad to broaden their career prospects. Look after, supervise. The manager is responsible for training and supervising the new employees. Work on, strengthen. The student needs to strengthen their vocabulary in order to score higher in IELTS writing. Throw away, discard. Instead of discarding the plastic bottles, we should recycle them to reduce waste. Review, scrutinize. Before signing any contract, it's essential to scrutinize terms and conditions carefully. Check, inspect. Engineers must inspect the site before the construction begins. Talk with, consult. It's important to consult a specialist before making any major medical decision. Move forward, advance. Technology continues to advance, improving the quality of life around the world. Opinion, perspective. From my perspective, online classes provides more flexibility than traditional classrooms. Detailed, meticulous. The researcher conducted a meticulous research to ensure accurate results. Doubtful, skeptical. Many experts are skeptical about long-term effects of artificial intelligence. Unreal, far-fetched. The idea of living in Mars once seems to be far-fetched, but scientists are now actively exploring it. Exposed, vulnerable. Elderly people are more vulnerable to extreme weather conditions. Reduce, mitigate. Planting trees can mitigate the effects of air pollution. So I hope you like all these 20 words because these are top vocabulary words I have shared with you. I hope you have learned all these words and you are going to use it in your IELTS exam, in everyday conversation, in offices, anywhere. Which word you like most? Tell me in the comments. See you in the next video.